That's Kai. Kai is captain on a crew transfer vessel, a CTV. His task is to bring technicians safely on an offshore wind turbine. When the weather is nice, Kai has a very quiet job, and the technicians get on the wind turbine easily. When the sea is stormy, the boat is moved up and down by the waves, and crossing becomes dangerous. If the waves are too high, Kai has to return to the harbor without the technicians being able to do their job. This costs time and money. Kai thinks about a solution on how the workers can safely cross over even with high waves and without damaging the wind turbine. Kai browses the internet and comes across an interesting website. He finds a fitting solution. A protector which is attached to the boat landing, keeping the CTV in a stable position due to its rough surface. With this protector, Kai can safely board to the wind turbine even with higher waves. The technicians can now safely change and no longer have to return home so often without having achieved anything. This saves time and money. Kai notices another advantage too. The corrosion protection of the boat landing is no longer damaged where a protector is applied. This also pleases the operator of the wind farm, who will save more than €10 million within the next 25 years, thanks to the protector. Kai and the technicians are happy to be able to do their job well and safely, regardless of the weather.